Welcome to our language program. Please watch the video before you start the Align Placement exam. It will help you know what to do. Before you start the exam, make sure you have good internet connection on your computer. Second, set your keyboard to English. Have a pair of headphones for the listening section. Turn off your phone or other devices. And finally, be in a quiet room. Do not use your phone to take the test. It is better to use a computer. To start the test, you may use Google Chrome or Safari, but don't use Microsoft Edge. Then, go to www.app.nuadu.com, have the login code with you. First, type the login code we have given you. Then, click on Password to create one. The password needs one uppercase letter, lowercase letters, and numbers. When ready, click on Login. If you have problems to log in, check that you have typed the code correctly with no spaces and that your keyboard is in English. If you still cannot log in, click on the chat icon to ask for help or ask your teacher. Once you log in, click on Accept and you will be directed to Nuadu platform. Now, please upload your profile picture. It should be a clear photo of your face, so please remove hats, hoodies, or anything that may cover your face. Then click on Confirm. Align is the test we use to place you at the right level in our program. It has 5 sections: reading, use of English, listening, writing, and speaking. In the first 3 sections, all questions are multiple choice. The test lasts about 135 minutes, including a 15-minute break. Once you start, you cannot pause the test. When you are ready, click on the Start button. Align is the test we use to place you at the right level in our program. It has 5 sections: reading, use of English, listening, writing, and speaking. In the first 3 sections, all questions are multiple choice. The test lasts about 135 minutes, including a 15-minute break. Once you start, you cannot pause the test. When you are ready, click on the Start button. Before each section, you will see the directions. Read carefully and click I understand to start that part of the test. To submit your responses, choose an option and then select the Submit button. Navigate to the next question using the arrows. Click Save to save your answer and use the arrow to move to the next question. You can skip and return to questions, but only saved answers will be graded. Once you save an answer, it cannot be changed. There is no penalty for wrong answers, so make your best guess. The circles on the right saw your progress through the parts in each section. Finally, please be mindful of the time. When you get to the end of one section, we ask you to click on the Go to Next section to move on. Once you are in the listening section, click the Play button to listen to the instructions, the example, and the questions. Then you may begin answering the questions while listening to the talks. Please note that the audios will play only once. You will not be able to forward or rewind the audio. At the end of the listening section, you will have 2 minutes to check your answers in the last part. Then click on the button Finish the exam. Throughout the exam, you may skip a question if you need to and come back to it later. If you forget to go back to the question, the program will remind you to complete it. It is recommended that you answer all questions, even if you have to guess. You will not be penalized for wrong answers. When you have completed all the tasks, click on the button Yes, I've finished. We will contact you with your results. Stay calm, keep an eye on the time, and just do your best. Good luck! To complete the writing and the speaking part, go back to app.nuadu.com and re-enter your login code and same password. Make sure your keyboard is in English and the microphone of your computer or your headphones works. Once you log into your portal, you will see that you have 2 more sections to complete, the writing and the speaking. There are directions before each section. Please read the directions carefully. We will contact you with your results. Stay calm, keep an eye on the time, and just do your best. Good luck!